Today we are going to be talking about adding flesh at the right places, not just adding fat, but adding flesh, adding fat at the right places. If you are a skinny girl, just get in here. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. How are you guys doing? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add weight at the right places, how to add flesh at the right places. If you are out there, you're a skinny girl and you feel like you actually wanted to have some flesh to your body, trust me, go nowhere. This video is for you. I'm going to be showing you a new recipe on how to gain weight at the right places, and trust me, they are natural products, they are easy to get products you can just see around you. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 recipes that is very effective when you are talking about adding weight at the right places for skinny girls. Okay, if you want to increase the size of your body, you want your butt to be visible, you want your hips to be visible, you want to be you want to be like me, big and bold, okay, and you want to add flesh at the right places, you want to add weight at the right places, I have effective 5 ingredients that we are going to be using in this video, and the result is wow. The result will be visible in 7 days. You guys, you don't want to miss this video, because see, this video will literally change your physique, and it will bring out the figure 8, the curves you have been craving for. I have you guys in mind. I actually look for a cheapest ingredient you can use, and trust me, this recipe does not have any side effects. So before we dive into today's video, I really want to show you a product, a fast selling product, Sure Manpower. If you have 1 seconds man, 2 seconds man, 3 seconds man, 5 seconds man, guys, you better get this product for your man, and you are going to thank me later. I'm telling you, this is our fast selling Sure Manpower. If you guys can see, it is fast selling and it is very effective. Or more, if your man use this thing and your man hammer you once, you are going to order cartons of this product. Anyways, enough of that, let's dive into today's video. Okay, so without further say or do, let's get right into the preparation. to the end of this video. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel. Leave a message for me in the comment section telling me what you like about this video, what you like about this channel. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.